They thought they were safe. But safety is just an illusion. A secret buried for years. A past they tried to forget. But the past never forgets. One call changed everything. A message they were never supposed to hear. You're not safe anymore. Every step they take, watched. Every move they make, predicted. When trust is shattered and the truth is deadly, there's nowhere left to run. When the walls close in and every exit is a trap, they must uncover the truth before it's too late. Because in the end, the only way to survive is to fight back. Safe. Coming soon.